It's all broken.
Nobody wanted it.
Nobody wants this. Not even now.
How long was it there?
All morning.
All morning?
Until now.
6 hours?
Yes, actually, yeah.
8 a.m.?
From 8 a.m.
Yeah.
He have money.
Yeah.
Has money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This guy's been working out, that's why he has that cut off sleeves. Oh.
He's go to the gym every single day. Santos training him.
Yeah.
And Santos charging like, I guess, $300 a month. So 3 days a week. 3 días a la semana. ¿A Santos no le duele?
A mí sí.
Oh, usted está empezando.
Estoy empezando.
You know Santos trains him?
What?
He trains him.
Look,
Look
look.
how strong he is.
When we have a chance, can we take off the carbon stuff for the Porsche?
Another complaint.
No, the carbon pieces for the Porsche. We have like 7-8 pieces carbon for the Porsche 911 Turbo S. Let's talk about it. Let's open it. Let's put it on the car. Let's see how it looks. Temporary.
Oh, you want to do that?
Yeah.
Now?
So we can have.
Oh, something for him? What? Joy don't do nothing?
You don't have to do it right this second, but yeah, whenever you're free.
Oh, so no now?
No, you.
Hey, you covered your special.
It would be good to do it now, but if you can't do it now, it's fine.
This is why he doesn't come to the back.
It's dangerous over here.
Okay, that's why we miss you.
You guys have seen this car here many times. Excuse you. Yeah, he's so tall he can't even duck. All right, this client of ours has a habit of changing her car color. I would say, without over-exaggerating, at least maybe 4 to 5 times a year. Yeah, she loves to change her car color. Well, now she chose a very nice one, I think. Super Gloss Army Green, I believe is what it is. It looks really good with the two-tone black. On this one, you know, we chose to keep the door jambs black, which gives it a little contrast. It looks really nice. Carbon wing. I went with satin black hood as well. Left it alone to give it some contrast. Bottom lip, satin black. Look at this thing. It looks really good. And she's gonna be very excited. She's coming back to town Tuesday. Once she comes back to town Tuesday, she's coming straight here. So it's clean, ready, good to go.
For you?
Porsche Turbo S. We have a kit for this car. Lewis is opening everything up so we can see what's in there. Owner's gonna be super happy. He can't wait. Actually, he's anxious. He keeps calling and texting, so I understand why.
This couple hour job.
Not that crazy. Huh?
I can finish today.
You can finish it today?
Yeah.
Do it. I'll give you 22 bucks.
How much?
22.
Forget it.
Yep. We have another Cullinan in here. It's going to have 26-inch wheels. We're gonna lower this thing. We're gonna do a clear bra. Two-tone. So basically we're gonna do pretty much satin on top from middle up like we usually do, and then we're gonna do clear gloss clear bra on the bottom side, along with blackout completely. We're gonna black this thing out. Any chrome, anything you see is all gonna be black. It's gonna look amazing. A completely different color. So look at it now and wait until it's done. So this is what we do here, guys. Car comes in. First rule is make sure the car is kept clean, because no matter how clean we are, you know, you go in and out of the car all the time and it's gonna get dirty. So at the end of the day, this is an automotive shop, so make sure everything's clean. The guys right now, they're literally gonna put protection everywhere inside the car, not just the floor, but the seats. Look at this baby. This is like a simple, nice upgrade that you can do for the car to be one color, basically.
You don't know what's going on.
I don't know. All I know is that we are painting the complete roof red. That's it, to match the car's body color. Must be nice.
Alright guys, it's not a clean Cullinan, but it is actually a fixed Cullinan. I say that because this car was in a pretty major wreck. This entire side of the car right here was missing. It also had a lot of damage on the back, a couple dents here and there, all kinds of stuff. Got a fender, got a headlight, got a bumper. All this stuff was fixed, and believe it or not, this car was white. We wrapped it in a Hexus gloss clear bra in gloss black, as you can see. So this is a colored PPF. It is the best way you could do a gloss black on the car. Nothing beats this on the market. It is, like I said, a clear bra and it is a gloss black wrap at the same time without that crazy orange peel. It actually has factory-like orange peel. Orange peel obviously here because we do a lot of paint work, and literally this passes as a paint job for many people, especially when you do the door jambs and stuff. So everything you see, the chromes, all the white body, all that was wrapped in that gloss black PPF material. We also put newer stock wheels on it because he had some aftermarket wheels. We also did this teal blue pinstriping all around the side to match the interior because it's black and teal blue on the interior. This car went through insurance. You know, as you guys know, we've been in the insurance body shop game longer than the custom game. So we do a heavy amount of insurance work on exotic cars especially, but also on regular cars like the Nissan. I don't even know what it is. That's probably the most rare car here right now. So give us a call if you have your insurance jobs. It doesn't matter if you're in LA, Orange County, Vegas, whatever. We could help you out, tow it here, get it fixed.
All morning I miss you. You didn't come over here in the back.
I was busy, bro. I've been busy. What is this?
You didn't come over here in the back.
I was really busy.
So what do you want? Seriously.
This is a new machine. The old machine that we had didn't last too long because one of our employees decided to put a Pokemon card inside machine. So what are you doing?
It's not even on there.
It's just pissing me off that you and Joe make so much money. So I just want to know how much is Pirelli paying you? How much money did you make?
Depends on the job.
Hank, cut the bullshit. How much money did you make?
For that one, I charged them $4,000.
4,000? No, what the fuck are we doing here? I sweat, cry, bleed for fucking $4,000 a month, not 3 days. That's insane. Take a bite. Bite? Don't lick it. Take a bite. Fucking dirty ass, oily hands.
Bye. How do you feel about Sarkis like destroying the side of the van Friday?
What?
Sarkis crashed the van.
Oh,
What do you mean
you
crash
crashed the van.
I didn't crash the van. Stop making.
He drove right into
He's,
the hole.
he told
What?
Joe. He told Joe not to say it. He said,
What?
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. Alright? So, see you on the next one. Haha!